In this video, we're going to explore an exciting opportunity to start a profitable business in the world of puzzle books. Let's get straight to the point. If you were to search for word search puzzle book on Amazon, you would find that many listings have been uploaded in recent times and are making a good amount of money. For example, this puzzle book was released on July 27, 2023, and it has already achieved an impressive 68 ratings in just 3 months. Another one came out only 2 months ago and is making an estimated $1,600 per month. Or consider this book, which was released at the beginning of last month and is getting lots of daily sales with an estimated revenue of $2,800. So, in this video, I will show you how to beat your competitors and create a similar business but 10 times faster with the power of AI. I will cover the entire process, from generating product concepts to crafting a polished end product. Plus, I have a powerful trick which I will share at the end of the video to 10x your revenue, so keep watching the video till the very end. To get started, you need a theme for your puzzle book. This could be anything, from summer to travel, dogs, or nature, etc. So, head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a list of niches for word search books. This will give you broad ideas that you can narrow down. In my case, I would choose the animals and wildlife niche. Once the niche is chosen, ask ChatGPT to give a list of 20 topics related to animals and wildlife for an adult word search book. Based on these different topics, I would be creating my book. Once you have your niche, it's time to create word lists related to your chosen topics. So, for that, simply ask ChatGPT to create a list of words related to the first topic, which in my case would be African safari animals, and to make it more engaging, I asked to include a fact related to the topic so people can learn something while having fun. This will be the content of your puzzles. Repeat this process for other topics too until you have generated all the words for your puzzle. With your word lists in hand, head over to a free puzzle generation website. The link is provided in the description box. Input the title and choose the grid size. In my case, I am targeting adults, so I guess 15 by 15 would be a good size. After that, you need to enter words, so simply copy the first 10 words from ChatGPT and paste them. You can also select the word directions along with your preferred colors. Once all settings are completed, generate the word search puzzles. Download both the puzzle and solution images. Repeat this process for all your topics until you have all the puzzles ready. Determine the book size based on similar listings on Amazon. Typically, puzzle books are around 8.5 by 11 inches. So, head to Canva and create custom design using these dimensions. Begin by uploading your first puzzle and arrange it in the middle of the page. Add text for the search words, topic name, puzzle number, and any illustrations to make it engaging. Duplicate this template for each puzzle in your book. Replace the content until all your puzzle books are ready. To provide solutions for your word search book, you should include a separate section at the end of the book where you place a solution image next to the corresponding puzzle number. After you've completed all the puzzles in your book, you can download the templates as a PDF, which you can then print. This way, readers can easily find the answers they're looking for. Use Canva to design an appealing cover for your book. Make sure to follow the Amazon KDP cover size guidelines. For that, type in Amazon KDP cover calculator, open the first link, and fill in the required information. After that, click on Calculate Dimensions and then download the template. After downloading, head back to Canva and create a new design according to the dimensions from your downloaded template. You can use AI-generated content for the book title and illustrations to make it eye-catching. After some tweaking, this is how my cover came out. Once your cover is ready, simply download it as a PDF to print. Once your book is ready, it's time to publish it on Amazon using Amazon KDP. To boost your business, consider translating your book into different languages. This can open up new markets with less competition. You can use ChatGPT to translate your book into Spanish or other languages. Modify the puzzles and cover accordingly and upload the translated versions to Amazon. By following these steps, you can create your own word search puzzle book business and potentially tap into new markets through translation. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.